In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use Street View, a plugin in QGIS. Let me open the QGIS application. So we also need some two other plugins installed. So to do that, or to install plugin in QGIS, just click on Plugins tab up above here and select Manage and Install Plugins. And then make sure that you click on All, and we're going to search. Let's start with Quick Map Services. So you type in Quick Map Services and click on it, and just click on Install here. I already have it installed, that's why there is no option for install. So you click on that, it will automatically install, and then after you install, search for this next plugin that is called OSM space place search. OSM place search. So I don't know if OSM OSM place search. And it's here. So OSM place search, you click on it and click install plugin. And then lastly, we're going to install now the Street View plugin. Street View. So you click on that and click install. So this one was actually developed by someone called Fabio. So you click on install that plugin, and then you close. Now let's use the Quick Map Services to add the OpenStreetMap right here. So go to Web tab here and select Quick Map Services and select OSM standard, like so. And we're going to have this street map right on this canvas. Then what the OSM place search does is to help us go to a place or fly to the place that we want to zoom into. For example, let me type in Nairobi, and then click on this arrow. You can see we have several options here. So you can select that, or a limit to extent, then you select that. So select any of these and click on zoom down here. It will zoom to actually the place where you want. So we have this OpenStreetMap of Nairobi, and for example, I want to have a street view around this junction. All I'll do is to click on activate on street view now that it's installed, and it's just this icon here. Click on that street view to make sure that it is activated. Let me just click it again, and then click on that particular spot that you want to have that, to view that particular place. So it will open the so it will automatically open the Google map, and you'll see now we have the street view of that particular spot where you want to have a view. So if you want to select another spot, let me zoom to this particular point here. Click on that then click on this particular spot, that view that right there. So you can close that, look for another spot, or you can type in another place, internet connection, just that, and then you click on, let's try this again, zoom out, you click on street view to activate, and select the point where you want to have a view of. This method that you can use to have a street view and in QGIS using the street view plugin.